This video shows how to make Caffe Latte using Gaggia Naviglio. We need to prepare a cup, a milk pitcher with fresh milk and a damp cloth. Brew espresso by hitting the espresso button. To make Caffe Latte, you need to remove the plastic Panarello one. Now we have our espresso ready. I press the steam button and immerse the steam tip. When the milk becomes hot, turn the steam off by pressing the same steam button. Before you pour the milk, make sure that you clean the steam one and dispense some hot water to clean the internal part. Turn it off. Now we have a nicely steamed microfoam milk. I'm going to pour the milk into the espresso. We have our Caffe Latte ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please help us to like this video by clicking the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you again.